In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Brevo. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to craft a professional-looking email template efficiently. Let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Brevo's website. It's the first step on our journey to creating a sleek email template. Once you've arrived at the site, go ahead and log into your account. If you have your login details at the ready, this step should be straightforward. Don't worry if you can't recall your password. There's always the Forgot Password option to help you out. Now that you're logged into your Brevo account, navigate over to the Campaigns section. You'll find an option labeled Templates. Hover over that and select Email Templates. This area is essentially your creative hub where you'll start building your email masterpiece. When you're ready to dive in, locate and click on the New Template button. This will open up a new window where the magic really begins. At this stage, one of the most important things you'll do is giving your template a clear and descriptive name. This is crucial for internal identification, making it easier for you and others on your team to locate and utilize the template in the future. Moving on, it's time to think about the subject line of your email. Enter the subject line you want here, and remember that Brevo offers the flexibility to personalize this using contact attributes. This could be adding a recipient's first name to make your emails feel more personalized and engaging. With the foundation set, let's explore the design area where you can let your creativity shine. Brevo features an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes it simple to add and arrange various content blocks. These might include text sections, images to catch the eye, action-inviting buttons, and much more. Feel free to rearrange and play around with these components until everything feels right. A big part of creating a template is ensuring it aligns with your brand's aesthetic. So take some time to customize the design elements, tweaking colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand's unique style. Consistency here can enhance brand recognition and make your communications look cohesive. Once you're satisfied with your template's design, it's time for the final step. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those and select Save as a Template. Make sure you hit Save to store your template. With that, your newly created email template is ready for use, ensuring consistency and professionalism in your email marketing efforts.